Frij is a device used in transportation of temperature-sensitive items. It is made up of three components. You have the cooling module, you have the temperature control module, and you have the communication module. This is a compartment where temperature-sensitive items are placed during transportation. Its mode of operation is simple. You turn on the device, and then you enter the preferred temperature. Say for vaccines, you can leave it at 4 degrees. Now, it detects what the room temperature is and then cools it down to your preset temperature. Now, you also have a second screen. When the battery, which lasts for 24 hours, goes out, this screen tells you what the temperature is in this compartment. Now, during transportation, you also have a mobile application which informs you in real time where the device is by sending you the longitude and latitude location and also the temperature in real time. So this is it. Here you can also set a minimum temperature and a maximum temperature so that you can send an alarm system once it goes out of temperature range. This device also comes with a unit which can also work with the vehicle or a motorcycle during transportation of devices such as blood and vaccines. So you could use it with your car charger, smoker's point, or also connect it directly to your motorcycle. Now, during transportation, we have a thermal bag, which it also comes with, and the thermal bag is secured using a combination lock for security purposes. Now, this bag has been built to be easily carryable. So once you're going into regions that is probably mountainous, you can simply just put it on your back and strap it on while you embark on your journey. So basically, this is the Gricd Frij. Thank you.